There's a brand new WhatsApp update here that lets you send photos and videos that could be viewed just once by the recipient of that photo and video. So in order to use it, you'll have to actually update your app here. So I'm just in the App Store. You could do this obviously on your Android as well and go to the Google Play Store, update the app, and let me show you how to send disappearing messages on WhatsApp. Here I'm inside of a conversation with someone else, and you would just go ahead and take a photo or a video. So I'm gonna tap the photo icon here, and I'll just take a photo of this right here. And to send it as a normal message, you will press the blue option right here, but you'll get this little one as long as you have this update. If you press it, it says photos is set to be only viewed once. Now I'm gonna send it with that highlighted. The photo is gonna be sent like this. And when they tap on that photo, when the other person taps on that photo, they can only view it once. So you'll see that little one icon here. Again, with video, I'll show you as well. Press the camera icon. This time I'm gonna actually record a video, so I'll press and hold. And then as soon as I let go, I still get that little one option over here. So if I select it and it turns blue, as soon as I send this, it will then again be set to something that could only view one time. And it's that simple to send disappearing photos and videos on WhatsApp.